Zithe xibilili izibilini emva kokuvakala kwendaba ezimnandi zokufumaneka kwamatyendyana amane osapho lakwaModi. Ezijongwane zaxhwila kwisithuba seveki ezintathu ezidlulileyo liqela lamadoda asixhenxe ebexhobefa amacala ngemiphu ngomhla wama-20 kwinyanga kaOktobha yaye zazisendleleni eya esikolweni ngethuba kusehla elishwangusha. Ezijongwana kuthiwa azinawo nomkrwelo yaye ziye zadityaniswa nabazali bazo kwaphezulu njalo.
Last night, our police officers in Vuwani received a call from a local resident telling us that these 4 children had arrived there. And fortunately, these children were recognized by one of the children at this particular home. And we were contacted. The children underwent medical examination before they were handed over to their parents last night. Of course, we are ecstatic that the children were given a clean bill of health by the medical practitioner. And we're happy that there was no harm or any injuries that had come to them during the exact 3 weeks that they were kept in captivity.
Amapolisa athi asemanqada-nqada elanda umkhondo wabanqala intloko bebeqhwile lamakhwenkwana yaye akubanjwanga mntu kuza kudika ngoku.
At this stage, we are still currently in the process of conducting a criminal investigation into kidnapping. So that part of the investigation has not yet been finalized because we haven't arrested anyone as yet. No one has been called to account for the disappearance of these children at this stage.
Kwenziwe inhlabamkhosi ke kuluntu ngokubanzi ukuba luze ngaphambili nolwazi olungakhokelela ekubanjweni kwabo baqhwilela ezijongwana.